Top 5 Best Sockets. Number 1. Nico 02443A3/8 and 1/2 Drive Master Impact Socket Set, 38-piece deep and shallow assortment, standard SAE, inch, and metric, sizes, CRV steel. Made from high-strength chrome vanadium steel for greater torque, each piece with black electroplate finish for corrosion and oil resistance. Special 6-point flank drive design turns the flat sides of fasteners and delivers maximum. Number 2. EPAUTO 45 pieces 3/8 drive socket set with 72-tooth Pear head ratchet. Durability, made from hardened treated chrome vanadium steel alloy, CRV, corrosion resistant, chrome plated and mirror polished, easy storage, a sturdy plastic storage case is included. 72-tooth Pear head ratchet with both metric and English sizes sockets, made in Taiwan. Number 3. TACKLIFE Drive Impact Socket Set, 18 PCS 1/2-inch drive deep impact socket set, 6-point, 10 to 24 mm, 15 PCS metric sockets with 3 PCS 1/2-inch drive impact extension bar set, HIS1A. 6-point design. 6-point socket design enlarges contact surface between sockets and fasteners, locks force more firmly. Number 4. DEWALT, DWMT73804, socket set, 3/8-inch drive, SAE metric, 34-piece. Direct torque technology, polished chrome vanadium finish, knurled control ring, hard stamped markings. Number 5. TEKTON 1/2-inch drive deep 6-point impact socket set, 14-piece opening round bracket 3/8-1-1/4-inch 4880. Includes 14 1/2-inch drive deep 6-pine impact sockets, 3/8, 7/16, 1/2, 9/16, 5/8, 11/16, 3/4. Thanks for watching. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe.